A very good afternoon to one and all present. I hope you are keeping good health in the pandemic situation. Yes, today I am going to teach you the procedure to draw a fixture from chapter number 1, especially for the knockout tournament. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of fixture. Fixture is the procedure through which the competition among teams is fixed on the basis of lots. Now we should know what is the meaning of bye. Bye is an advantage which is given to a team, and the team is exempted to play in the very first round of the tournament. Now we should see the steps which comes under drawing a fixture. Number 1, number of teams participating in the competition. We should know from the question, the examiner has asked how many teams are participating in a competition. Suppose the question will come, draw a fixture of 11 teams participating in a tournament of football. So here we have number of teams is equal to 11. Then second point is number of matches will be played. How many matches will be played in the tournament when we draw a fixture? That will be is equal to n minus 1. N is number of teams participating, that is 11. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So total number of matches to be played will be 10. Next comes the number of rounds. How many rounds will be taking part? So number of rounds will be considered by power of 2. 11 is the number of teams participating, and 11 next number is power of 2 is 16. So how the 16 come? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied 4 times. Then comes 16. So number of rounds will be 4. Next will be number of teams to be put in each half. In this case, we have to just see whether the number of teams which the question has given us is even or odd. If the number of teams is even, then the formula will be n upon 2. And here when we are taking the example of 11 teams, so 11 is an odd number. So odd number 11, in that upper half, the teams will be according to the formula n plus 1 upon 2. N is 11. 11 plus 1 is upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 2 is 6. Number of teams participating in lower half, the formula is n minus 1 upon 2. And again 11 minus 1 upon 2, 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So number of teams in upper half will be 6. Number of teams in lower half will be 5. Next comes number of byes. In this number of byes, again we will see the next power of 2. So 11 is the number which we are having, teams participating. So next number is power of 2 is 16. So 16 minus 11, we will just deduct the number of teams participating from the number of next power of 2. That comes 5. Now next is number of byes to be given in each half. If the number of byes is even, then we don't have to apply any formula. If the number of teams, like we have 5 here, it's odd, then we'll apply the formula upper half is equal to nb minus 1 upon 2. nb is 5, 5 minus 1 upon 2. Lower half nb plus 1 upon 2, 5 plus 1 upon 2. Next is method of fixing bye. In this case, I'll be explaining you with the help of an example. Now here we have total number of teams is equal to 11. So we'll just write all 11 numbers like this in a vertical manner by drawing the lots. Then after that we'll just divide according to the formula the number of teams in upper half and the number of teams in lower half. So here number of teams n plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11 plus 1 upon 2 divided, we come to have 6 teams in the upper half, and according to the formula we are supposed to have 5 teams in the lower half. In the upper half we always have the more number of teams. Next comes, we are supposed to give number of byes. So number of byes was 11. Next 11 we were having the number of teams. Next power of 2 is 16. 16 minus 11 we had 5 byes. So first bye is given to team number 11. Second bye is given to team number 2, 1. third bye is given to team number 7, fourth bye is given to team number 6, and again this cycle will continue. Fifth bye is given to team number 10. Then this will be considered as the first round. Bye team does not play in the first round, so we will start with the second one. Second and third will play together, in which second is the winner. Fourth and fifth will play together, in which fourth is the winner. Again, bye will not play in the first round. Again we have 7 as bye team, so 7 will also not play. We will just fix the match of 8 and 9, in which 8 is the winner, and again 10 and 11 both have got the byes. They won't play in the first round. So this portion will be considered as round 1. Now we'll proceed to round 2. Always start from the top most. As team number 1 didn't play in the first round, so team 1 versus the winner of this first round 2. 1 versus 2, for team number 1 is the winner. From here 4 versus 6, so 6 is the winner. From here 7 versus 8, 8 is the winner. From here 10 and 11, 10 is the winner. This will be considered as the second round. Now we'll have third round, 1 versus 6, we have 6 as the winner. 8 versus 10, we have 8 as the winner. This will be considered as the third round. And fourth round will be between 6 and 8, in which 6 is the winner. So we have 6 as the winner and 8 as the second position holder. Now another example we'll just take of the total number of teams, which is 8. We are supposed to see whether this is a power of 2 or not. So this is power of 8 is power of 2. How? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 and the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 and the 4, 4 to the 8. So it is power of 2. So, and moreover it is even also. So in the case of division of upper half and lower half, in the case of even number of teams, we don't apply any formula. They are simply divided, 4 in upper, 4 in the, this is called as upper house, this is called as lower house. So 4, 4 each. So as it is a power of 2, we don't have to give any bias to be given to any team over here. So we'll just make 1 and 2 play together, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 is the winner, 3rd is the winner, 5 is the winner, 7 is the winner. This is a first round. In second round, 1 versus 3, 5 versus 7, in which 1 is the winner and 5 is the winner. And third round will be between 1 and 5, in which 1 is the winner and 5 is the second position holder. So total number of rounds 3